Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best airbrush makeup kits that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Luminess Air Basic Airbrush Makeup Kits. If so, consider buying the Luminess Air Basic Airbrush Makeup Kits. It's a complete makeup system that has everything you need to achieve flawless, long-lasting makeup in the privacy of your home. The package of this cosmetic starter kit contains as many as 9 tools, including an AC adapter, an airbrush system, moisturizer primer, serum, high coverage concealer, and 4 bottles of foundation. However, the strength of the kit is surely the cosmetics. Unlike some cheap airbrush makeup systems, it includes only high-quality and skin-loving ingredients such as plant extractors, glycerin, hydrolyzed silk, vitamin C, and vitamin A, which have a positive effect on the skin, promoting better absorption of nutrients and giving it a healthy glow. Moving on. At number 4, we have the Belloccio Airbrush Cosmetic Makeup System. If you crave for a professional-looking makeup, but traditional ways of application don't work for you, try using the Belloccio Airbrush Cosmetic Makeup System that will help you set up a flawless look without an effort. To begin with, along with the set, you'll get lots of makeup products to give your face a perfect look. The kit includes 4 bottles of foundation in different shades: Blanc, Vanilla, Alabaster, and Buff, among which you should find an ideal match for your skin tone, along with a blending sponge to add some touch-ups for a smooth finish and a primer to lock your makeup. The latter will not only let you prepare your skin for makeup application, but also lend a strong anti-aging and moisturizing effect, keeping your skin radiant all day long. At number 3, we have the Art of Air Professional. The Art of Air Professional Airbrush is hands down the best airbrush makeup kit for beginners who want to master the airbrush technique and hone their skill. We really like that this airbrush makeup set comes complete with essential makeup products, and that unlike many other liquid makeups which often end up being either too dry or too watery, requiring you to thin them out with moisturizers, face creams, and makeup removers, this one features ideal consistency, needing no adjustment at all. All the products from the kit set up a perfect finish without smudges, spots, or streaks, making it a particularly good choice for beginners. At number 2, we have the Pinkiou Airbrush Makeup Set. The Pinkiou Makeup Airbrush Kit is a good option for those who want to be able to experiment and get creative with their looks at home without paying more for premium sets. This model is fairly affordable, yet it is no less convenient and functional than more expensive Pro Tools. To start things off, this airbrush has a rather compact design, which is surprising given that most tools operating from the mains are quite bulky. At the same time, it's solidly built so you won't need to worry that it might get damaged during use. It's also ergonomic with a comfortable handle and a smaller cup for maximum convenient use. And finally, at number 1, we have the CHAWNIAO Airbrush Kit. Whether you've just started your makeup artist career or are looking for a decent airbrush makeup kit to use at home, this set from Superbird may come right up your alley. To start off, the device is very easy to operate. Powered from a mini airbrush compressor, it offers you 3 pressure settings, making it easy to control the flow rate. Thanks to the high-pressure technology, it also ensures that cosmetics are spread to the face in a fine mist without leakage. As a result, you'll achieve flawless coverage and a soft, natural complexion. The size of the nozzle of 0.4 millimeters, with a 1/15 of an ounce cup, adds to the versatility of the airbrush gun, allowing you to use it for much more than just makeup. To specify, in addition to beautifying your skin, it can also be used for nails manicure, drawing, model painting, graffiti, tattoo, and baking decorations, which is not a small feat for a device at this price point. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.